Greetings everyone. We are Team Space Oddities from IMT Ghaziabad. This is Pratiksha and I'm Shikhar. We apologize to you for not being able to be present in person for this event, and we also thank you for providing us this opportunity to appear through a video. Now going to the case, talking about the Indian construction industry, it's valued pretty highly at $145 billion. The Indian construction equipment industry also has a high rate of growth for the coming years, and the Indian construction equipment rental industry also has a high scope of growth because only 7% of equipment sold in India are sold to rental companies. Talking about the company Equipshare, there's a very similar company called Equipshare that works in USA but offers similar services to Equipshare. But in the Indian construction industry, construction equipment industry, Equipshare can consider these as its competitors: Gear India, India Mart, Rental Wala, and Avdesh Corp. So all of them are serving in the online industry. So talking about digital marketing, there are various aspects to consider within digital marketing, the top three being search marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. Within search marketing, you have search engine optimization and Google Adwords. Now, for search engine optimization, we used a tool called Opcity. Opcity analyzes various aspects of the website, of any website, and sees how good it is, how well optimized it's on search engines. So, Opcity gives a score of 33 out of 100 for Equipshare. And this score is majorly because the website loads very quickly. And why does it load quickly? Because it has minimal content that doesn't share any kind of useful information. On the other hand, Equipshare, the website that we had been talking about, scores 67. And the most prominent aspect is that this website has links from 121 unique websites. On the other hand, Equipshare has linked from no other website. So there is no other website linking to Equipshare. So you can see it over here. When you type on Equipshare on Google search engine, the third ranked result is Equipshare. The top result is Equipshare. The second result is also Equipshare, but this is not our client. This is not the company in consideration. This is some other company, and that's where we find another problem: a clash in names. So now, Pratisha.
Analyzing the website's effectiveness, the website has three components: a relevant header, which Equipshare is missing, an interest-generating copy, like guaranteed lowest price, and a conversion, like a sign-up form, which ensures that leads that come to your website don't drop. So all of this is missing, and also there's a sign-up form on the landing page, but that's not highlighted. Also, the entire process is in a textual form, and we have found that images and videos work better to convey the idea to busy executives. Also, if you see on this website, this is of Equipshare, the similar company. And over here, they have a visible call to action, which talks about a benefit, like get a free account. And it also has a button for engagement, like view equipment. There's also a very interesting thing, like a live chat option, which helps your customers from clarifying their queries to your own representatives. Also, on a website, there should be trust element like a testimonial, which generates more credibility about your product or service. So when we analyze other pages of the website, we found that the sign-up button the sign-up form does not specify what exactly is the next step. So we recommend something like enter your information and schedule a call, which would help you to prevent leads from dropping, and it will lead to more lead generation. Now Shikhar will be explaining about Google Adwords.
While search engine optimization talks about organic results, Google Adwords talks about paid advertisement. Google Adwords targets the customer during various stages of purchase funnel. The various stages being awareness, familiarity, consideration, purchase, and loyalty. So how does it target? It uses different formats: search advertisement, display, video, shopping, and mobile advertisement, and all of these combined together target the customer at various levels of the purchase funnel. So Pratiksha will talk about email marketing.
One of the best ways of email marketing best ways of B2B marketing is email, and a major component of email marketing these days is marketing automation. This is a form of lead generation that ensures that you're targeting customers according to the time when they are most susceptible to listen to you. And this requires the hiring of experts. We also found that in social media marketing, LinkedIn is the most effective. When we analyzed the 9 top cement companies, we found that though they have a Facebook account, they're not very active on it. While on LinkedIn, their entire network is present. So we recommend that LinkedIn ads should be targeted over Facebook ads. And if Facebook ads have to be targeted, they should be done at later stages. Now Shikhar will be explaining about marketing strategy roadmap.
So for the marketing strategy roadmap, we have considered the next 1 year, and this next 1 year has been divided into 2 stages, the first 6 months and the next 6 months. We have considered the stakeholders to be cement companies, builders, equipment suppliers, contractors, and most importantly, investors. So as we had already talked, the first half of the year should be spent more on LinkedIn and email marketing. Also make sure that you make appointments through personal selling and emails. And investors, the investors can be approached through following bodies: Startup Mitra, Mudra, ICEMA, Indian Construction Equipment Manufacturers Association. Whenever they have a meeting or a workshop, the company can approach them to make them aware about Equipshare. The next 6 months, invest in a software called Found.ly. What Found.ly does is, through LinkedIn, it lists down all the emails, all the relevant emails that you can target, and lead nurturing can be done through that. Lead nurturing, the point will be talked about by Pratiksha. So spend more on Facebook than as compared to before, and spend on email marketing also. So that's the roadmap, and we have analyzed later, but we can tell you right now, they spend about 40,000 rupees per month on digital marketing for the first 6 months on Google AdWords and LinkedIn ads. Increase the budget to 70,000 rupees per month for the next 6 months, because you increase your expenditure on Facebook ads and Found.ly. So marketing strategy roadmap, Kotler Keller says that if you have a marketing strategy, you must consider the following points to make it successful: mission, marketing objective, target markets, positioning, market program, the 4 P's: product, product promotion, price, place, and market research. If you have all these aspects covered, your marketing strategy is going to be successful.
When we checked the content development for B2B marketing, we found that what you can see on the left side is the most ideal and the most effective. However, for Equipshare, we've recommended the following on the right, which is more of videos, images, which conveys information in a much better form, a much attractive form. We also recommend developing a blog, which helps in SEO, and obviously email templates. We also recommend white papers. This is something that your clients can use, because email should be something that conveys something of value to the customer. And we also recommend a case study, a real life problem that your client faced and you managed to solve. This will help in ensuring credibility. We recommend that students should be targeted for blogs and digital marketing mainly. They should be trained so that you save on money in the first 6 months. Also, we recommend hiring digital marketing experts to train your own staff, which will help save money in the long run. And also either target students for website development who are engaged in such courses, or hire experts, which will help in having a seamless experience throughout the website. Now Shikhar will be talking about digital strategies for customer acquisition.
So when the search is made about Equipshare, the Equipshare website must have proper title and body. So title description should be about 50 to 55 to 60 characters. We have given a sample title. We have also given a sample body for the description of the website. It should be about 150 to 155 characters. Make sure that your company sells its USPs and what it wants to sell. And so now talking about Google Analytics, the company must ensure that it sets up Google Analytics tracking on its website. What Google Analytics does is that it tells about the visitor's behavior once he visits the website, how long does he stay on the website, which pages does he click, what page leads him to exiting the website. Also optimize forms like sign up form and other forms through lead formly, which improves the conversion rate. So also add a live chat option, as we have seen in Equipshare. Create a blog, create a short animated video, and it's not going to cost a lot. So these are very effective options. Now Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Use Google AdWords Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords when people are searching, and so that you can target the customers through Google AdWords. Google AdWords Keyword Planner helps you to determine whether you should pay this amount of money for a particular keyword or not. So for the return of investment, we have considered these are the prima facie values. The prima facie values regarding the following aspects: cost per click-through rate, average conversion rate, average cost per action. And these are for the search and display network. So when we consider all these, we say that 25%, we are assuming that 25% of the leads that have been generated are converted into final customers. So assuming all of that, calculating all of that, we realize that the cost for acquisition of a customer is going to cost between 10,000 to 17,000 rupees for digital marketing. So the company must ensure that the customers either present transaction is more than 17,000 rupees, or at least its future value is more than 17,000 rupees. So yes.
So when we speak about email marketing, these are the general steps for email marketing. Like when you have to create compelling content and use the right tools, then you have to test whether your content is good for other interfaces as well. Then you have to segment your audience. These are all basic rules. We recommend that investment should be made in LinkedIn advertising, and we recommend crowdsourcing a lot of the content to save money. Also, Facebook AdWords can be targeted later if at all it is found to be beneficial. Now, Shikhar will be giving you the final conclusions and recommendations.
So while these conclusion recommendations are in addition to the conclusions and recommendations that have been made, so we'll be repeating again the cost of acquisition for customers is rupees 10,000 to 17,000. So you should spend about rupees 40,000 per month for the first 6 months and rupees 70,000 per month for the next 6 months. Save on hiring costs by hiring interns from different colleges. They have experience of various digital marketing fields, and make sure that they have certain certifications to ensure that they can do the job well. So the company must ensure that its digital marketing strategies followed on these platforms for website development, Google AdWords, content creation, Google Analytics, email, and the rest. So here we are with all our recommendations and conclusions. Thank you very much.